Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the value of k and the second root if this given quadratic equation has one root which is equal to 2. Now let's get started with the solution. And we know that this given quadratic equation has one root which is 2. That means x equals to 2. So that means wherever we see x, we are going to replace it by 2. So that quadratic equation is going to become k times 2 square minus 10 times 2 plus 8 equal to 0. So that is going to give us k, this 2 square is 4, so this becomes 4k minus 20 and then plus 8 equal to 0. So that means 4k minus, if we combine these constants, that's going to give us negative 12 equal to 0. We're going to move this negative 12 on the other side. 4k equal to positive 12. Divide both sides by 4. So this 4 and 4 is gone. So k turns out to be simply 3 value. So thus k equal to 3, our k value. And now in our next step, this is our given quadratic equation and we figured out k value which is 3. So wherever we see k, we are going to replace it by 3. So this simply is going to become 3x squared minus 10x plus 8 equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. So now in our next step, we know that our given root is 2. We know that our given root is 2 and we need to figure out the second root. So we are going to use the synthetic division. Synthetic division is pretty easy to deal with. Now let me show you how to use synthetic division. The very first step is look at this quadratic equation. Look at these coefficients only 3, negative 10 and here 8. I am going to write down these numbers 3, negative 10 and positive 8. And at the same time, this number, this one root is 2. This 2 is going to go outside. The next step is we are going to bring this 3 down right up here. And then we are going to multiply this 2 times 3, which is 6. We are going to write down 6 right up here. Add these numbers, so that is going to give us negative 10 and 6 is going to give us negative 4. Let's repeat the same process all over again. 2 times negative 4, multiply them out, and we are 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. If we add them, we are going to get 0 as our remainder. So now let's focus only this part only. So this is going to be, this part is going to be without x and this is going to be with x. So that means we got 3 times x minus 4 equal to 0. And here, if you bring this negative 4 on the other side, 3x turns out to be positive 4. Divide both sides by 3. So that means x is going to be 4 over 3. And by the way, if you are not sure about this synthetic division, you can check out my more videos in YouTube by just typing Premath synthetic division and you can learn more. So thus we figured out our second root along with k value, and those are our final answers. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.